Hi guys, my name's Samantha and I'm here to talk to you guys today about what I do for a living. And I am a registered dental assistant, also known as an RDA, some people refer to it as. I've been an RDA for almost a year now. I finished my schooling last June, so almost a year. And I currently work for a office in Napa called Napa Pediatric Dentistry. It is a pediatric office, so we only see children between the ages of around 1 year old to about 18 years old. As a dental assistant, that's my dog. As a dental assistant, I do many things. A lot of them include assisting the doctor that I work for on many different procedures. Some of them include filling cavities, extracting teeth, and even placing crowns. Some of you may have or know other people that have silver teeth, and that's one thing that I help assist the dentist on, placing them on teeth. Some other things I do are cleanings. I'm usually the person you'd see if you come in for a cleaning. I clean your teeth. I show you how to floss. Take x-rays as well if they're needed. I also prepare the rooms that we use for procedures, set it up, make sure we have all the correct instruments out and everything. And then as well as when we're done, I clean the whole room, and then I also sterilize those instruments, the ones that are reusable. Um, yeah, so to be able to do all this, I went to school at Blake Austin College in Vacaville. It is not a regular 4-year college. It is often referred to as a vocational college or program. My program was 10 months long. It was 9 months of actual schooling and then 1 month of an internship at a dental office. My schooling was a lot of bookwork learning, but it was also a lot of hands-on learning. Typically, whenever we would learn a new subject, we would start with bookwork, learn all the new vocabulary, and do, like pre-tests and all that. And then we had a lab. It was set up like a real dental office. It had like the chairs and the sinks and all that. And then we would go to our lab and do the hands-on learning, because the stuff that we do as dental assistants is hands-on. So to learn how to do like x-rays and do proper cleanings, it's kind of hard to learn how to do that properly through just reading about it. So our program was very hands-on. We personally took x-rays and we would practice cleanings on other students. So it was very hands-on. It was very beneficial because we learned how to do it with our own hands. That way when we went out into the dental field, into a real office, it was easier to adapt and it was easier to perform the procedures correctly. Once we were done with the full 10 months, the full 9 months of schooling, and then the full month of our internship, we were officially dental assistants. However, we were not registered dental assistants. To be a registered dental assistant, you have to take a state exam. You have to turn in all of your certificates and stuff that you earned throughout your program to the state board. Well, they will then contact you to take a test. And basically, the test is everything you've learned throughout your whole program. Anything from like how to do cleaning correctly and how to take a proper x-ray, and even all the detailed stuff like there are many different subjects within dentistry, like pediatrics or orthodontics, which is a braces doctor. So a lot of questions about all the different types of dentistry that you have to pass. And then once you pass, you are a registered dental assistant. Taking the test to be a registered dental assistant rather than just dental assistant is not mandatory. You do not have to take the test. However, when you do take the test and you pass, there is a pay raise. Dental assistants, I will just talk in the area of Vacaville and Fairfield, since I know your guys' school is in Vacaville. I live in Fairfield. But dental assistants, not registered, just regular dental assistants, make about $13 to $15 an hour. In Fairfield and Vacaville area, about $13 to $15 an hour. However, if you were to be registered dental assistant, you can make about $18 to $20 an hour. So it is a pretty big pay increase. And then also, for example, where I work, you get a pay increase being registered, but you also get a pay increase each year you gain experience. So being that I am about to hit one full year of being a dental assistant, I will get a pay raise because I've worked for however long I have, and I'm getting experience with that. So, so being registered and also having experience does get you more money, but being registered is not mandatory. A lot of people ask me what I enjoy most about my job, and I have always loved working with kids. That's why I chose to work in a pediatric office. I definitely love working around kids of all ages. Little ones are definitely more fun, like around the 4 or 5 year old age. They're more fun to work with sometimes just because they don't know the full experience of being in the office. So trying to show them, like our special toothbrush or flossing, it's a fun experience for them and myself. I just like interacting with all the different kids and teaching them how to floss and how to brush properly, and just being able to impact their lives, even though I'm just helping them improve their oral hygiene. But it is fun just being able to talk to different kids every day and help them out and brushing their teeth and stuff. An elementary skill that I learned that I definitely use today with my job is problem solving. The office that I work at is very busy, so it's not uncommon to run into some problems every now and then. And when that happens, I turn to problem solving skills just to help solve any problem there is. And it's definitely helped me as an adult with my job and with just living life as usual too. Advice that I would give my elementary school self would be not to be discouraged, because around that time I did not know what I wanted to do as far as my job for the rest of my life. It was discouraging because a lot of other kids did know what they wanted to do. Some, would want to be a firefighter or a policeman or a teacher, and none of those really appealed to me. So I got discouraged and was thinking I'll never know what I wanted to do. But knowing what I know now, I would tell myself not to get discouraged because I had a lot of time to figure that out. I did not figure out what I wanted to do until a couple years before I actually did start school. I think I was about 20 years old. So if anybody is discouraged because they don't know what they want to do with their life yet, or as far as their career and stuff, don't worry, because you have time. You will figure it out. You'll find your interests and what you like and what you dislike. So don't get discouraged. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys learned a little bit and enjoyed listening to me rant about my job. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.